In this little demo we will see if it's possible for an attacker to gain access to the disk where the database files are situated, and to take these database files, to steal them, and to attach them on another instance of SQL Server. Let's say by copying them on a USB drive and taking them at home, for example. First of all, in this SQL Server, we have attached the AdventureWorks 2012 database, which is the sample database from Microsoft. Let's see in the properties, in the files page, where the database files are. They are in the C SQL data folder. So let's go with Windows Explorer. And we have the data and the log files there. Can we copy them like that? Probably not. But let's try. I've made a folder named loot in the C volume, and I will just try to copy the data file like that. Yes, of course, I'm stopped by Windows because this file is locked by the SQL Server process. So I won't be able to copy it like that. But is it good enough as a security? No, because we have other ways to copy the files. For example, there is a service on Windows which is named VSS, Volume Shadow Service, which allows some backup application to take a snapshot of the file and backup it. And some tools use this service, like here a little free and open source tool named Hobocopy. Hobocopy uses VSS to copy the file, and it's a command line tool. I've downloaded the last stable version, the 1.0. I've uncompressed it in my personal folder here, it's Hobocopy. And as it is a command line application, I'm using it with PowerShell. So I've already written the command line, hobocopy.exe. I'm mentioning here the source directory. Then here I'm going to change this my destination directory, cloot, and I will copy only the adventure something files which are in this data folder. So you can also use a wildcard to copy only some files. Let's try it out. Okay, you see, 2 files are copied. Let's see in my loot folder. Great, I have my 2 files. Can I now attach it? Of course, very simply. I go back to SQL Server. It can be another instance where I'm a sysadmin. No problem. Using the graphical interface here, I can attach here my MDF. So I will go to my loot directory, take my MDF, so my data file. The log file is recognized as well, and I will attach it as my AdventureWorks 2012 loot database. Let's try it out. And you see, I've recovered a database file, database and log file that I have stolen while the process was running.